Hello, Fast Force 289 back again. Today we're going to be greasing the hood hinges and latch on the 68 Mustang. Of course, I got me a beer. Real Americans drink beer when they work. Alright, for the latch, you just grease all your pivot points. I know I sound like a broken record, but it's crucial to get your pivot points lubed up nice so there's no friction, no wear. All your components will last a long time. Whoops, sorry. Alright, that's about to take care of the latch. Now we'll move over to the hood hinges. Of course, you get the top of the hinge here as well. And after I do that, I like to work it back and forth. Work it a little bit, work that grease in. The other side is the same way, same process. So I'm not going to waste time showing you that. I hope this video was helpful. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.